Hi, these are the products that I'll be using for wash day. Hey guys, what's up? So I'm back. I just finished washing my hair and also conditioning my hair. So now I'm about to start styling. My hair dries on the outside slightly, so I'm going to respray it with some water that I have here in my water bottle. And I'm just going to spray until my hair is slightly saturated. That's going to help the products adhere better to my hair. I'm spraying the keratin and green tea restructurizer, and I'm just going to spray that throughout my hair. This is the Tresemme 7-in-1 spray and conditioner. I'm going to also spray that throughout my hair. This is my Denman brush. I'm going to use this brush to brush all the products that I put in my hair, just to make sure everything is nice and evenly coated on every strand of my hair. While my hair is wet, you can see where my hair is really thin in the front. I definitely have some heat damage there, but I've been keeping heat out of my hair. I haven't been flat ironing. I've been just doing my twist outs. I like the twist outs because it gives me more volume, so that's what I've been doing lately, so hopefully that will improve. This is the Main Choice Sealing Cream. It's a very moisturizing cream, so I apply that to my hair and I just brush it all through prior to applying the Main Choice Styling Gel. Now I'm parting my hair to prepare for styling, but just a FYI, I no longer use a comb to part because it leaves such a hard part in your hair that it makes it really difficult to pick through. So I would just use your fingers to separate the hair and then twist or braid or whatever style you're going to do. Now I'm using the Main Choice Styling Gel. I'll be applying this to each section that I part, and then I'm going to 2-strand twist each section. Next, I'm going to be applying the Main Choice Split In Serum. I always apply this to the ends of my hair after I've braided or twisted them. It's supposed to help decrease or prevent split ends. Then I roll my hair around a perm rod, and that's going to help the ends of my hair remain nice and curled. So when I untwist my hair in the morning, once it's dry, I should have a nice defined curl from root to ends. So I'm just going to do that around my entire head. So I'm all done twisting my hair and applying the perm rods to the ends of them. Now I put on my satin bonnet and I'm getting ready to go to bed for tonight. It's the next morning. I've removed my bonnet. I'm removing the perm rods and I'm also going to remove the twist. I'm going to use the Silk Elements Pure Oils. I'm just going to squirt a little bit in my palm of my hand and I'm just going to rub it through my hair as I remove the twist to prevent any unnecessary frizzing or snagging. So now I'm going to unravel my twist and I'm going to do this throughout my whole entire head. So now I'm going to pick my hair. I'm trying to get the parts blended so that they're not showing. See, this is what happens when you part your hair prior to twisting. You get like a really sharp defined part in your hair. So I'm just trying to blend it all out. Then I'm also just trying to fluff my hair a little bit just to make it a little more fuller. And then I'm picking some more. And then more so towards the back, there's like in the back of my head this hard part that I just can't seem to blend out. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm just trying to blend it in as best as I can. This is the Miele Edge Control, and I'm just going to apply that to my edges to make them nice and slick. I'm going to use a boar bristle brush just to help smooth my edges down, to help lay them flat. This is my finished style. I think it came out very pretty. I'm truly loving the twist out. I like it better than the braid out. It gives me a little more definition and fullness. So I'll be rocking my hair like this to work this morning, and I'm very happy with the results. As you can see, I did put on my press-on nails and I'm loving my look.